Max Model Question Paper, 10th class, Part A. Section 1, you have Group A and Group B. In Group A, you have 6 questions. In Group B, also you have 6 questions. In Group A, 6 questions, any 3 you attempt. So, first one, if log x square minus 5x plus 10 base 2 equals to 2, then find x value. So, first you change to this one, logarithmic form. So, x square minus 5x plus 10 equals to, base here changes to RHS 2 power 2. So x square minus 5x plus 10 equals to 4. This 4 changes to LHS. So this one, x square minus 5x, 10 minus 4 is what? 6. So plus 6 equals to 0. Factorize this one. X square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. X common, x minus 2 and minus 3 common, x minus 2 equals to 0. So then x minus 2 is common, x minus 3 equals to 0. Then x equals to 2 comma 3. Second one, if a equals to x such that x is a even prime and b equals to x such that x is a prime factor of 12, then represent a and b in Venn diagrams. So first a set, a equals to x such that x is a even prime. Even prime means only you have 2. 2 is a even prime, and b equals to x such that x is a factor of 12. X such that x is prime factor of 12. Prime factor of 12 means 2 and 3. 4 is a factor, but that is not a prime number. 6 also factor, but that is not a prime number. So 2 comma 3 only. So I want a and b in Venn diagrams. A, b, mu. So a set we have only 2, b set 2 comma 3. So 2 is a common element and this one 3, this one. Okay, next, third one, if log 81 base 3 and log 8 base 2 are the zeros of the polynomial, then find the polynomial. So first, log 81 base 3 means log 3 power 4 base 3. Log 8 base 2 means log 2 power 3 base 2. So log 3 base 3 value 1. So log 3 base 3 1. Here 3. Log 2 base 2 value 1. So we know the log x to the power of m equals to m log x. So that's why 3 changes to here. So 3 into log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 value is 1. So 4 ones are 4, 3 ones are 3. So 4 comma 3 are the zeros. So how to find out the, what are you asking? Find the quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial, k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to 0. Okay, alpha value here 4, beta value 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So x square minus 7x, 4 3 is 12. So plus 12. This is your answer. X square minus 7x plus 12. Next, fourth one, find the value of k if the pair of equations 5x plus ky plus 8 equals 0 and 10x plus 14y plus 12 equals to 0 has no solution. Has no solution means what? The two lines are parallel. Two lines are so parallel. Parallel condition, a1 by a2, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2, not equals to c1 by c2. So a1 value here, what is a1 value? 5 by a2 value 10, b1 is k, b2 value is 14. Then k equals to 5 into 14 by 10. 2 sevens are 2 fives are 5 ones are 5 ones are. So x value is what? 7. Okay. Next, fifth one. Solve the equation 6x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0 by factorization method. So by factorization method, here constant is minus 2 and x square coefficient is 6. 6 into minus 2 minus 12. So which table? 4 table. 4 3s are. So minus 4 plus 3. Plus 3. So 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So here 6 is there, here 4. So 2 is common and also x also common. So 2x is common, remaining 3x minus 2 plus 1 common, 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Again here 3x minus 2 is common. So 3x minus 2 is common. So remaining 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So therefore x equals to what? 2 by 3 and one more minus 1 by 2. Next question. The nth term of an AP is 6n plus 2. Find common difference. Nth term means an. An equals to what here? 6n plus 2. So find common difference. Common difference means a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2 or a4 minus a3, like that. So first you find out here a1. 6 into 1 plus 2. So 6 ones are 6 plus 2 8. Next a2. 6 2s are 6 into, in place of n you substitute 2 plus 2. 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14. So I want common difference. D equals to a2 minus a1. a2 means here what? 14. a1 means 8. 14 minus 8, 6. 6 is your common difference. Next, group B. Find x in the adjacent figure and where the triangles are similar. Triangles are similar means sides are proportional or sides are divided in the same ratio. So x by 22 equals to 8 by 16. 8 ones are 8 twos are 2 ones are 2 11s are. Then x equals to what? 11. 11 is your answer. Next, eighth one. Find the length of the tangent to the circle from a point 13 centimeters away from the center of the circle of radius 5 centimeters. Find the length of the tangent. First circle. First you draw the circle. This one external point P. So this is a tangent. Okay. Find the length of the tangent to circle from a point 13 centimeters away from the center. Okay. This one 13 centimeters. Okay. And radius is what? 5. Now find the length of the tangent. This value. This is assuming to a. So length of the AP you find out. PA is the tangent. So here form the 90 degrees. So AOP is what? Right angle triangle. Right angle opposite side is what here? OP. So hypotenuse whole square equals to side square plus side square by using Pythagoras theorem. So OP whole square equals to OA square plus AP square or PA square. So OP value 13 square equals to OA 5 square plus PA whole square or AP whole square. So 169. This one 25. Changes to LHS minus 25 equals to PA whole square. 169 minus 25 144 equals to PA whole square. Square changes to LHS, that is square root. So square root of 144 equals to PA. Square root of 144 12 equals to, therefore length of the tangent is what? 12 centimeters. Next, Ninth one. The curved surface area of the sphere. Curved surface area of the sphere equals to 616. Then find its diameter. Find its diameter. So CSA CSA of sphere. CSA of sphere. CSA of sphere 4 pi r square equals to how much that 616. So 4 ones are 4 remaining 2, 4 5s are 4 4s are. So pi means 22 by 7 into r square equals to 154. So r square equals to 154 into 7 by 22. 22 ones are 22 sevens are. So r square equals to 49. Then r equals to what? 7. So but I want here diameter. So diameter is what? 2 times of the radius. So 2 into 7. So diameter is what? 14. Next. If sin theta equals to 3 by 5, then prove that tan theta plus sec theta whole square equals to 4. Sin theta equals to what? 3 by 5. See here. Sin theta equals to 3 by 5. Here we have the theta. So sin means opposite by hypotenuse. So Pythagoras triplets. This one 5. This one 3. So remaining is what? 4. Or by using Pythagoras theorem you find out that side, adjacent side. Here we have the theta. Okay. Now find tan theta plus sec theta whole square. Okay. Tan theta means here opposite by adjacent. Next sec theta means hypotenuse by adjacent. So tan theta plus sec theta. This both you add tan theta plus sec theta. And also I want whole square. So here 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4 whole square. Here denominator same, add the numerator 8 by 4 and a whole square. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 2 square means what? 4. Then RHS is what? 4. Next. A deck of 52 cards. What is the probability of getting not a face card? Not a face card. So total 52 cards. In that we have 12 face cards. So except that face cards means remaining what? 40. So now what is the probability of that not a face card means 40 by 52. So simplify this one. 2 20s are 2 26 and 2 10 2 2 ones are 2 3s 10 by 13. Next, write the formula for mode of the group data and explain the terms involved in the formula. So write the formula for mode. Mode formula. Mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L means here lower limit of the model class. F1 means frequency of the model class. Next F0 means frequency of the class preceding the model class. F2 means frequency of the class succeeding the model class. H means height of the class. Okay. Next. Next. Section 2. In section 2 you have 6 questions. In section 2 you have 8 questions. In that any 4 you write. So in that first one you see, if x square plus y square equals to 7xy, then show that 2 log of x plus y equals to log x plus log y plus 2 log 3. So here what is this one? X plus y. So when we have the here plus, here both sides we add with 2xy. When we have the minus here, both sides subtract with 2xy. So here plus symbol is there. So both sides we add with 2xy. See question 13th one. So x square plus y square equals to 7xy. Now both side add with 2xy. Both side add with 2xy. So x square plus y square plus 2xy equals to 7xy plus 2xy. This one x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square equals to 9xy. Now both side, this is x. So both side apply with logarithms. Both side apply with logarithms. So log x plus y whole square equals to log 9xy. So this one log x to the power of m form. So 2 log of x plus y equals to RHS side log xy formula. So log 9 plus log x plus log y. So 9 it can be changed to 3 square. So 3 square means again that is in the form of log x to the power of m. So there finally 2 log of x plus y equals to, okay, 9 means 3 square. So 2 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Okay. Next one. Next 14th one. A equals to next one 14th one. If a equals to x such that x belongs to n and x is a factor of 30, b equals to x such that x belongs to n, x is a factors of LCM of 4 and 6. First a set a equals to, so what are the factors of 30? 1 2 3 3 tens are, so next 4 not possible, 5 5 6 are, next 6 5 are 30. Okay, next 7 not possible, 8 not possible, 10, next direct 10 3 is 30, next 15 15 2 is 30, next 30. This is a set. Now b set. So b equals to, first you find out LCM of 4 and 6. 4 and 6 LCM is what? So 2 2 is 2 3 is, so 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So factors of 12, 1 2 2 table possible, 2 6 so next 3 table 3 4 next 4 table 4 3 next 6 table 6 2 next 12. This is the b set. Now I want here n of a union b and n of a, n of b, n of a intersection b. N of a means number of elements in set A. How many elements here? See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how many elements here? 8. So n of a equals to 8. Next n of b. N of b equals to, how many elements here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 6. Next n of a intersection b. What are the common elements here? See 1 here also there, 2 3 4 not there, 6 also there. So 4. Total common elements 4. So n of a intersection b what? N of a intersection b equals to 4. Next you find out n of a union b. First you find out a union b. So a union b total elements 1 2 3, so 4 also there, 4, next 5, next 6 10 12, okay, 10 12 15 and 30. So how many elements here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, total 10. So n of a union b is 10 equals to n of a value 8, n of b value 6 minus n of a intersection b 4. 8 plus 6 14, 14 minus 4 10. Therefore 10 equals to 10. Verified. Okay, next 15th one. Two vertices of a triangular 3 comma 2 minus 2 comma 1 and its centroid is 5 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3. Find the third vertex. So total two vertices there and a centroid also there. So centroid formula is what? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. First, what is given points? Given points are what? A x1 y1, that is 3 comma 2, this is x1 y1, and b point minus 2 comma 1, this is x2 y2. So we don't know third vertices, that is assuming to x3 y3. So and also we know the centroid. What is the centroid? Here 5 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3. This is the centroid. So centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So centroid 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 equals to x1 3, 3 minus 2 1, 1 plus x3 by 3, y1 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus y3 by 3. So middle you have the equals, so x coordinate equals. So here by 3 cancel. So 1 changes to LHS, 5 minus 1. So x3 value is 4. Next same like that, this one also denominator same cancel. So 3 changes to LHS, minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3 means minus 4. So final answer 4 comma minus 4. So 4 comma minus 4 is the third vertex. Okay. Next. Observe the figure given below in triangle PQR. In XY is parallel to PQ. Px by xr equals to 5 by 3 and qr equals to 7.2. Then find the length of ry. Length of ry. So px by xr, this one 5 by 3. So next ry you find out. So this one assuming to x. So qr is what? 7.2. 7.2. This is x means remaining 7.2 minus x. Okay. So 5 by 3 by using basic proportionality theorem. These two lines are parallel. So px by xr equals to qi by yr. Qi is what? 7.2. So minus x by yr value here x. So cross multiplication 5x equals to, so 3 into 7.2 minus x. So 5x equals to, so 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21. So 21.6 minus 3x. So minus 3x changes to LHS, that is plus 3x. So 8x equals to 21.6. So x equals to 21.6 by 8. 8 2 is 16. Remaining is 5. 8 7 is 56. So x equals to 2.7. Here x means what? X means ry or yr. So ry value is what? 2.7. Okay. Next. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. The radius of the base and the height of the cone are 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively. Find the surface area of the toy. So toy find out. The toy is what? Mounted a hemisphere. Mounted a hemisphere. Form a cone and mounted a hemisphere. So this is the cone. Mounted a hemisphere means like this. Okay. So already given. What is that? Mounted hemisphere. The radius of the base, radius is 3 and height is 4. Radius is 3 and height is 4. So now find the surface area of the toy. Surface area of the toy. Surface area of the toy means CSE of cone plus CSE of hemisphere. CSE of hemisphere. So CSE of cone means what? Pi RL plus CSE of hemisphere 2 pi r square. So radius here same. What is that? Radius 3 centimeters. Radius we know. Pi means 22 by 7. So I want slant height. L value I want first. So by using Pythagoras theorem, first you find out the slant height value. So 3 4 by using Pythagoras triplets. What is the slant height? That is 5. Now slant height also we know. Now surface area of the toy equals to CSE of cone plus CSE of hemisphere. Pi means 22 by 7 plus our radius is 3 into slant height is what? 5 plus, so 2 into 22 by 7 into r, radius is what, 3, so 3 into 3. Simplify this one, add both. Okay, that is your answer. Next, prove that square root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta equals to sec theta minus tan theta. So very important this one. Square root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. So denominator rationalizing here, 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. So into denominator rationalizing means here we have the plus, so changes to minus. So 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Okay, in numerator a minus b into a minus b form, so a minus b whole square, so 1 minus sin theta whole square by denominator a plus b into a minus b, so a square minus b square. Okay, now in numerator 1 minus sin theta whole square by here 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square means that is cos square theta. We know the sin square a plus cos square value 1, that's why. So here numerator and denominator both have the square, so 1 minus sin theta by cos theta whole square, so square root cancel, so 1 by cos theta, remaining 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. 1 by cos means what, sec, 1 by cos means sec, and sin by cos means sin by cos tan. So this is your RHS answer. Okay, next 19th one. From the top of the building to top of the building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cell tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression to its foot is 45 degrees. If the distance of the building from the tower is 30 meters, draw the suitable diagram to the given data. Okay, so here you have building, one cell tower. Okay, top of the cell tower is 60 degrees. The angle of elevation, okay, top of the tower is 60 degrees. Okay, this one 60 degrees. This is building, this one cell tower, A, B, C, D. This is ground. Okay, next, the angle of depression to its foot is 45 degrees. This one angle of depression, this is 45 degrees. Okay, the distance between the building from the tower is 30 meters. This one 30 meters. So draw the suitable diagram. This only your diagram. Okay, next, in a Skinner numbered from 1 to 20, find the probability of getting the following: prime number, composite number, multiples of 3. So 1 to 20 prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, okay, 14 not, 15 not, 16 not, 17, 19. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So probability of prime number 8 by total numbers 20. So 20. 2 4 the 2 10 the means 2 2 the 2 5 the. So 2 by 5. Probability of prime number 2 by 5. Next, composite numbers. So composite number means what? More than 2 factors. So what are the composite numbers here? 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 18, okay, 20. So 1 to 20 numbers. So 20 also. So total how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So probability of composite number 10 by 20. 10 by 20. 10 ones are 10 twos are. So 1 by 2. Next, multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 3 table. So up to 20 means 3 6 are 8 ends. Okay. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 5s are 3 6 are 3 7s are 21. No need to 21. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So multiples of 3, total 6 numbers by total numbers 20. So 2 3s are 2 10s are. So 3 by 10. Probability of multiples of 3, 3 by 10. Next, section 3. In section 3 also you have group A and group B. In group A you have 4 questions. In group B also 4 questions. At least in each group you attempt 2 questions. Okay, here 21st one is what? Prove that, here each one 8 marks. Okay, so 21. Prove that root 2 minus 3 root 5 is an irrational number. So prove that root 2 minus 3 root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, now see. Root 2 minus 3 root 5. So first you assuming this number. Sorry. First root 2 minus 3 root 5. First you assuming this number p by q form, means rational. First you assuming this one rational, and here q not equals to 0. Now squaring on both sides. So square root 2 minus 3 root 5 whole square equals to p square by q square. So a square, a minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square means root 2 whole square, that is 2. Square root cancel, 2 plus b square. B means here 3 root 5 whole square. This one also directly right, whole square. So minus 2ab, 2 into root 2 into 3 root 5 equals to p square by q square. Here square root cancel, 2 plus 3 root 5 whole square means 3 have the square and also root 5 also have the square. So 3 square means 9. So square root cancel, 5. 9 5 is 45 minus here only rational 2 3 is 6 into, so root 5 into root 2 root 10 equals to p square by q square. Okay, 2 plus, so 9 5 is 45 minus 6 root 10 equals to p square by q square. Okay, here 2 plus 45 means what? 47 minus 6 root 10 equals to p square by q square. So 47 changes to RHS minus 47, so minus 6 root 10 equals to p square by q square minus 47. So simplify this one, minus 6 root 10 equals to, so 47 into q square, 47 q square, so p square minus 47 q square by q square minus 6 here multiply changes to RHS by minus 6. So finally root 10 equals to p square minus, okay, 47 q square by minus 6 q square. Now see, root 10 value here, p square minus 47 q square by minus 6 q square means this is rational. Why? Because this is in the form of p by q, but root 10 is a irrational number, so our assumption is wrong. So therefore root 2 minus 3 root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, next, draw the graph of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 4. 22th one, draw the graph of the polynomial p of x equals to x square minus 5x plus 4. So x square minus plus 4. So first you find the roots or zeros. First you find out the zeros. X square, here coefficient 1, here constant 4, 4 table. I want 4. In which table we get the 4? 4 ones are. So x square minus 4x minus x plus 4. Here x is the common, x minus 4. So minus 1 is the common, x minus 4. So x minus 4 is common, x minus 1 equals to 0. Then x equals to 4 comma 1. So 4 comma 1 the zeros. So first you draw the graph means first you create the one box. First you consider one box. I am taking here x, next x square minus 5x plus 4. After that I want y, next after that x comma y. Okay, so x values you take negative values and positive values also. Okay, here what are the zeros? 1 2 sorry 1 comma 4. So here I am taking one negative number, 0 1 2 3 4, one extra number. So minus 1 whole square means 1. So minus 5 into minus 1 5. This one constant 4. This 4 continue, right? Total 4 4 4. So 0 square means 0. 5 into 0 0. Next 1 square means 1. Minus 5 into 1 minus 5. 2 square means 4. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10. 3 square means 9 minus 15. 4 square means 16 minus 20. This is 25 and 5 into 5 25 minus 25. So 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 4 10. This is 4. 1 plus 4 5, 5 minus 5 0. 8 minus 10 minus 2. So this one 13, 13 minus 15 minus 2. 20 minus 20 0. This is 0 4. Therefore x comma y values here minus 1 to 10, minus 1 comma 10, 0 to 0 comma 4. Okay, 1 comma 0, 2 comma minus 2, next 3 comma minus 2, next 4 comma 0, next 5 comma 4. So these total points you plot in that graph paper, that only your graph. Okay, next. (23) Solve 2x plus y equals to 5, 3x minus 2y equals to 4 by using elimination method and also substitution method. Elimination method, substitution method. Okay, 23. Now what are the equations here? Wait. What are the equations? 2x plus y equals to 5 and one more 3x minus 2y equals to 4. First elimination method. So elimination method means I am selecting here y variable, here 2y, here just y only. So this equation 1 multiply with the 2. So 4x plus 2y equals to 10. This is equation number 3. Okay, add 2 and 3. So 4x plus 2y equals to 10. 3x minus 2y equals to 4. This to cancel. 7x equals to 14. 7 1 the 7 2 the, then x equals to 2. X value substitute in equation 1 or 2 your wish. So 2x plus y equals to 5. This is first equation. 2 into 2 plus y equals to 5. 4 plus y equals to 5. Then y equals to 5 minus 4. Y value is what? 1. This one elimination method. Okay, next substitution method. Substitution method. So 2x plus y equals to 5. Another equation 3x minus 2y equals to 4. In this equation y equals to 5 minus 2x. This 5 minus 2x is substitute in this second equation. This is one second equation. So 3x minus 2 into y value 5 minus 2x equals to 4. 3x 2 5s are 10 plus 2 2s are 4. So plus 4x equals to 4. 7x equals to, this minus 10 changes to RHS, plus 10, this is 14. So 7x equals to 14. 7 1s are 7 2s are. So x value is what? 2. This x value substitute in this. So y equals to 5 minus 2 into 2 2. So y equals to 5 minus 4. Then y equals to what? 1. This one substitution method. Next, find the ratio in which x-axis divides the line segment joining the points 2 comma minus 3 and 5 comma 6. So ratio you find out. Here line segment, x-axis divides the line segment. X-axis means what here? X comma 0. So divides the line segment joining the points 2 comma minus 3, 5 comma 6. So this one x1, y1, x2, y2. So we know the section formula. So what is that section formula? So P equals to mx2 m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. You find out this m1 m2 only. So ratio means here m1 is to m2. This m1 m2 values you find out. So p means here x-axis. X-axis means what here? X comma 0, that point. So x comma 0 equals to coordinate point. X comma 0 means coordinate point. So m1 we don't know. So x2 means what here? X2 means 5 plus m2. So x1 means here 2 by m1 plus m2. Next m1 y2 value, y2 is here 6, m2 y1 value is what? Minus 3 by m1 plus m2. So middle you have the equal symbol. So this x is equals to this one and 0 is equals to y coordinate. Okay, so 0 equals to this one, m1 into 6, 6m1 plus, so m2 into minus 3, minus 3m1. So minus, here we write minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2. This m1 m2 changes to LHS, that is 0. So remaining is what? 6m1, okay, minus 3m2 equals to 0. So 6m1 equals to 3m2. Okay, m1 changes to LHS, or 6 changes to RHS. So m1 by m2 equals to, okay, 3 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So m1 is to m2 equals to what? m1 is to m2 equals to, okay, 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 your answer. Next, group B. Construct an equilateral triangle XYZ of side 5 centimeters and construct another triangle similar to triangle XYZ such that each of its sides is 4 by 5. So of the sides of triangle XYZ. So here he gave proper fraction. First you would construct a equilateral triangle by using 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters. A, okay, he gave XYZ, X, Y, Z, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So at Y you draw one acute angle. So acute angle. So acute angle means less than 90 above 0. So any angle here, acute angle I want. Next, here 4 by 5 proper fraction. So highest value is 5. So you take 5 arcs, equal arcs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This total 5 arcs are equal. Okay. Next, here numerator is what? 4. Denominator is 5. This one proper fraction. So first, so this one y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So join y5 to z and also draw a parallel line to y5 to z at this one. Numerator is 4, so y4. So you draw one parallel line that is parallel to y5 z. Okay, this point assuming to z dash. Now from z dash you draw one parallel line that is parallel to x z. Okay, this one assuming to x dash. So x dash, y, z dash is the your similar triangle. Okay, next, show that sec theta minus tan theta whole square equals to 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, what is LHS? LHS is what? Sec theta minus tan theta whole square. This is LHS. You prove that 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Sec means what? 1 by cos theta. Tan means sin by cos whole square. So your denominator is same. So by cos theta. So subtract the numerator, 1 minus sin theta whole square. So 1 minus sin theta whole square, 1 minus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. It implies this one, 1 minus sin theta whole square as it is. So denominator cos square theta means what? 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 it can be changes to 1 square also. So numerator 1 minus sin theta whole square means what? 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by a square minus b square here. So a plus b into a minus b. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta cancel. Remaining is what? 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. This is the RHS. Next. Find measure of the angles A and B if cos of A minus B equals to root 3 by 2 and sin of A plus B equals to root 3 by 2. Okay. Find A and B. So cos of A minus B is what? Cos of A minus B equals to root 3 by 2. So cos of A minus B equals to, when you get the root 3 by 2 in cos 30. So cos cancel, A minus B equals to 30 degrees. Next one more. Sin of A plus B equals to, sin of A plus B equals to root 3 by 2. So when you get the root 3 by 2 in sin 60. So cancel, A plus B equals to 60. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now add 1 and 2. So add 1 and 2, minus B plus B cancel. So A plus A 2A equals to 90, 2 ones are 2, 45. So A value is 45. Okay, we know the A plus B equals to what here? 60. Now B is what? 60 minus A. So 60 minus 45 means 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45 means what? 15. So A value is 45, B value is 15. Next. The scores of 20 students in a test is tabulated as follow. So here given marks and number of students: 10 to 21, 20 to 36, 30 to 47, 40 to 54, 50 to 62. Find the mode of the data. So mode you find out. Okay, first table. Marks, here number of students: 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, next 50 to 60. So 10 to 21, 20 to 36, 30 to 47, 40 to 54, 50 to 62. So find the mode. First, this is F1, highest frequency, that is F1. So preceding means this is F0, succeeding this is F2. So formula, mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L means lower limit of the modal class. See, this 30 is L. So 30 plus F1 minus F0. F1 means here 7, F0 means 6 by 2 F1. So 2 7s are 14 minus F0 value 6 minus F2 value is 4 into H. H means class size. What is the difference here? 10. So into 10. Next 30 plus 7 minus 6 is 1. So 14 minus 4 is 10. 10 minus 6, 4 into 10. So 2 2s are 2 5s are. Okay. 30 plus 5 by 2 means what? 2.5. So final answer 32.5. This is your answer. Next, 28. A person from the top of the building of height 15 meters. A person from the top of a building of height 15 meters. Observe the top of the foot. Observe the top and foot of a cell tower. Okay, top and foot of the cell tower with the angle of elevation 60 degrees and the angular depression as 45 degrees respectively. Then find the height of the cell tower. So like this problem already explained before. Okay, only diagram completed. Now here solution. So what is the question? A person from the top of a building. So first building of height 15 meters. This is 15 meters. Observes the top of the cell tower. This is cell tower, the ground. Okay. Okay, observe the top and foot of the cell tower. This is top. This one foot. A, B, C, D. This is cell tower. This one building. So next, of a foot of a cell tower. The angle of elevation is 60 degrees and the angular depression is 45 degrees. Angle of elevation of the top is 60 and depression is 45. So these two angles are alternating angles. So this one also 45 degrees. So in triangle ABC, tan 45 equals to opposite by adjacent. So AB by AC, tan 45 value is 1, or AB value is 15 by AC, then AC equals to 15. So AC value, this value completed. Okay. Next I want this one assuming to E. So finally I want here height of the cell tower means CD. CD you find out. Okay. Already this one AB. A, B, this opposite sides are equal. So this one also 15. Okay. So CE value is 15. Remaining DE you find out. Here AC value is 15. So BE also 15. So next in triangle BED, tan 60 equals to tan 60 opposite DE by adjacent BE. BE values are 15. So tan 60 value is what? Root 3 equals to DE by 15. Then DE equals to 15 root 3. DE equals to what? 15 root 3. Okay. CE value is what? Therefore height of the cell tower CD equals to CE value we know 15 plus ED value is what? 15 root 3. 15 root 3. Okay. 15 is common. 1 plus root 3. Root 3 value is what? 1.732. So finally 1 plus 1.732 means 2.73. To this 2 you multiply. That is your height of the cell tower. Okay. Next. So total questions completed. Next part B. Part B in first one, log 16 base 2 equals to what? 16 means what? 2 power 4. That is in the form of log x to the power of m. So m log x. So 4 log 2 base 2. 4 log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 value is 1. So the final answer is 4. So option C. Next second one, if A and B are design sets such that n of A equals to 4 and n of A union B equals to 7. A comma B are design sets. So n of A union B equals to n of A union B equals to what? N of A plus n of B. N of A intersection B. A comma B are design sets. So there is no common elements. So A intersection B not there. Next n of A union B is what here? 7 equals to n of A value. N of A is 4 plus n of B. So 4 changes to LHS. 7 minus 4 that is 3. So n of B value is what? 3. So option C. Next. Third one, sum of the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4. Sum of the zeros in cubic polynomial minus b by a. So b means here x square coefficient. What is that? Minus 2. So minus of minus plus 2 by a means coefficient of x cube, that is 1. So 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means 2. So option B. Next. Fourth one, slope is joining the point 6 comma 5 7 comma x is 5. Find x value. Slope means what? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here y2 value is x, y2 minus y1. y1 means 5 by x2 minus x1. 7 minus 6, that is 5. 7 minus 6 means 1. X minus 5 by 1 equals to 5. So x equals to 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 means 10. So then what is the x value? 10. Next, fifth one. If a7 minus a3 equals to 32, then the common difference of the AP is what? A7 means what? A plus 6D. A plus 6D minus A3 means A plus 2D equals to 32. So a plus 6d minus a minus 2d equals to 32. So plus a minus a cancel. 6 minus 2 is what? 4. So 4d equals to 32. 4 ones are 4 eights are. So d equals to what? 8. So common difference is what? 8. Option A. Next, sixth one. Sum of 10 terms of the progression log 2 plus log 4 plus log 8 plus log 16 and so on. So what is that value? So total 10 terms there. So first one log 2. So next log 4. Log 4 means what? 2 square. 4 means 2 square. So 2 log 2. So final here also log 2. 8 means 2 cube. 2 cube means 3 log 2. So finally log 2 is common. Log 2 is common means remaining 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on, total 10 terms. Okay, log 2. Sum of n natural numbers. N into n plus 1 by 2. Here n means 10. So 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. 10 plus 1 here 11. 11 5s are 55. So 55 log 2. 55 log 2 your answer. Okay. Next. Seventh one. If p of x equals to 6x square minus 3 minus 7x, then p of minus 1. So in place of x you substitute minus 1. 6 into minus 1 whole square minus 3 minus 7 into minus 1. So this one 6, this is minus 3, 7 ones are 7. So 7 minus 3 is what? 4. 4 plus 6 is what? 10. So option A. Next, eighth one. If x equals to 2 cube into 5 square, y equals to 2 into 5 square, then LCM of x and y. So LCM means your highest powers you write. So 2 power 3 into 5 highest power 2 only. So 5 power 2. 2 power 3 means what? 8 into 5 square means what? 25. 25 into 8. So no need to, here not there that option. Just we have 2 cube into 5 square. 2 cube into 5 square. So option A. Next, ninth one. If p of e equals to 0.073, then p of e naught. So already we know p of e plus p of naught e equals to what? P of e plus p of naught e equals to 1. So p of naught e means 1 minus p of e. 1 minus p of e. So p of e value is 0.073. So subtract that. What is the answer? 1 minus 0.073 means, okay, 1 0.073. So 10 minus 3 is what? 7. 9 minus 2. Sorry, 9 minus 7 2. Next here remaining is what? 9. This is 0. So 0.927. Option A. Next, 10th one. The value of tan 0 into tan 1 into tan 2 and so on tan 89. So we know the tan 0 value is what? 0. So 0 into any number is what? 0. So option A. Next, 11th one. Two identical coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting no head. Two coins means what? Head. So head, tail, head, tail. Question is what? The probability of getting no head. No head means what? Here only. So only one possible. So 1 by total possible outcomes 4. So 1 by 4. Option A. Next, 12th one. Mode of the values of sin 90, cos 45, tan 45, cos 0, sin 60, tan 45 is dash. Okay. Sin 90 value 1. Okay. Cos 45 means what? 1 by root 2. Next, tan 45 1. Next, cos 0 1. Next, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Next, 1 by sin 45 means 1 by root 2. So what is the repeated number here? Repeated is 1. So what is the answer? 1. So option A. Next, the curved surface area of a right circular cone of height 15 centimeters and base diameter 16 centimeter is dash. So curved surface area of right circular cone. So what is that? Pi r L. So here pi means 22 by 7 into radius. This is 16. So what is the radius? 8 into L. Slant height you find out. So height is 15. Okay. This base is 8. Hypotenuse you find out. So 225 plus 64. So 289. This one 17. So 17. Okay. Here pi as it is you write. Why? Because here not given 22 by, sorry, only pi only. So don't write here 22 by 7, just pi into 17 into 8. So 17 8 136. 17 8 is 136. So what is the answer? 136 pi centimeter square. Next, if PA and PB are two tangents of a circle with center O, so that angle AOB equals to 130 degrees, then angle APB equals to what? So here one circle, this one external point P, this is one tangent PA, one tangent PB, one tangent. Okay, middle is the center O. Here he gave angle AOB, this is 130, 130. APB is what? This one at A 90, at B also 90. Sum of four angles in a quadrilateral what? 360 degrees. This one already 180. So remaining this two I want 180. Here 130 is there. Remaining is what? 50. So angle APB equals to what? 50 degrees. Option C. Next, base area of a cylinder is 30 square centimeters and height 10 centimeters. Then its volume is what? Volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square h. Pi r square h. So base of the cylinder is what? Circle. So already he gave area of the circle. What is that? 30 into height means what here? 10. So 10 into 30, 300. So option D. Next, 16th one. The mean of first 5 multiples of 4 is what? 5 multiples of 4. So multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So total 5 by 5. 16 plus 4, 20. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 20, 60. 60 by 5. 5 ones are 5 12s. So answer is what? 12. Option B. Next, 17th one. The distance of the point 4, 7 from x-axis. From x-axis. This one x-axis. Okay. X, Y, x dash, y dash. That point is what? 4, 7. Here 4, 7 is there. Okay. Like this. So this distance is what? 4. This one 7. So the distance of the point 4, 7 from x-axis. From x-axis. This one. So this distance is what? 7. So option A. Okay, next, roster form of set A equals to x such that 2x minus 1, 3x minus 1 equals to 0 and x belongs to n. I want only natural numbers. So option B have fractional. Okay, this one rational. No, this is not our answer. This is not our answer. Suppose you substitute 2 here. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Again 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1, 7. So this one also not possible. So what is the answer? Option D, null set. Okay, 19th one. If A equals to 30 degrees, then sin 2A. A value is 30. So sin 2A means what? Sin 2 into 30. 60. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. So option root 3 by 2. 20. If sin A equals to 24 by 25, then sec A. Sec A means what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Here he give opposite to 24. Hypotenuse 25. So by using Pythagoras triplets, this is 7. So I want sec A. So sec A means hypotenuse by adjacent. So 25 by 7. So option B. Thank you.